Hello and welcome to our circle time and our calendar time. Sue, come on out here. I want you to help me say hello to our friends. Good morning, good morning. How are you? Good morning, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. Hope you are too. I'm fine, I'm fine. Hope you are too. Well, Sue, I want to see if you can help me remind our friends what this week's memory verse is. It comes from John 17:17, and it says, "Your word is truth." That's talking about the Bible. Did you know that, Sue? God's word, the Bible, is truth. John 17:17. Well, Sue, why don't you have a seat because it is time now for us to say hello to Fred. Hi, Fred. If you're just joining us for the first time, Fred is our class pet. He is a fish named after Fred Rogers from Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. So good morning, Fred. Now that Fred has been fed, I need your help again. Will you help me pick a pointer for today? You like the bunny? Okay, let's pick the bunny. So let's let the bunny hop and we'll see what day today is. The month is May, and if we reach into our jar, it says giant. So we're going to count with our giant voices. You can even stand up and stomp if you want to. Come on, let's stand up, stomp, and let's count like a giant. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today is May 5th. Can you say that? May 5th. If you go up to the top, you'll see that the day of the week starts with a T and an H. TH together makes the sound th, th, th. So what day of the week is it? Th, th, th. Thursday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Well, today is May 5th and it's Thursday, and it is time now to check your weather and dress Weather Bear. So look outside and see if your weather is rainy or sunny, cloudy or windy. When I do like this with my microphone, shout it out. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? It is out today. It is out today. Well, let's dress Weather Bear. I think we'll put on some pants and shoes for Weather Bear and a t-shirt. Bear. What season is Weather Bear dressed for? Spring. Good job. Well, that was our calendar and weather time. And if you'd like to stick around, I'll give you some ideas for our letter of the day. Today's letter is letter D. If you'd like to, you can put dots on letter D. You can do that by coloring dots with a marker, or you could add dot stickers. Let's decorate D. You can add those dot stickers if you have some. If you don't have any dot stickers, you could also just draw on some dots using markers or crayons. You could make your dots all different colors if you want to. There, I finished my letter D. D is for dice, and there are dots on dice. I think our letter D turned out really great. Now let's talk for a moment about the sound that letter D makes. Letter D says D, D, D. Can you make that sound? Letter D says D, D, D. It kind of sounds like we're knocking on a door. D, 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 D. Can you practice knocking with me? Letter D says D, 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 D. I'll knock on your door and you say, come in, and then I'll let you knock on my door, okay? Let's pretend. What does letter D say? D, 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 D. Come in. Very good. Now you knock on my door. What does letter D say? D, 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 D. Come in. That's a fun way to practice the sound that letter D makes. D says D, 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 D. Well, I have a fun art project that you can do today. You can make your very own dice. I have a template. I'll put the link below. You can cut. This is not too hard of a project for cutting because all of the lines are straight lines. So that makes it nice. And then you can glue or tape it all together and you can play some games or count the dots. If you're ready, you can roll 2 times and add 2 sets of dots together. If you're just still working on your counting, then you can roll and just count the dots on one side. So have some fun today with D is for dice. I'll see you next time.